Hey friend, welcome back to the Gentle Reset, your no judgment zone for creating a home that actually works for you. I'm Allison, ADHD home and systems coach, former occupational therapist, and mom of two, and I'm so glad you're here. You might notice the podcast has a fresh subtitle, Home Organization and Decluttering Made Simple for ADHD Women. Because I want ADHD women to know this space is made for you, and I'm so excited to be back after a much needed break. Season 2 is here, and if you've ever rolled your eyes at ADHD is your superpower, this series is for you. Because let's be honest, when you're staring down piles of laundry, paralyzed by what to do next, or bouncing between tabs and rooms, you don't feel powerful. You feel stuck. But what if I told you those traits that feel like your biggest obstacles with ADHD are actually the keys to creating a home that works for you? Not in some fluffy, just reframe it way, but in a real strategic, supported way. In Season 2 of the Gentle Reset, I'm diving headfirst into something that's been on my heart for a while. ADHD is your superpower, but not the way you think. This isn't a feel-good slogan, it's a full-on reality check. Because the very traits that trip you up at home, they're not flaws. They're powerful when you know how to work with them. I polled over 50 ADHD women, and the top 5 traits that cause the most frustration in their homes are hyperfocus, squirrel brain, transitions, task paralysis, and big emotions. Each episode, I'll unpack one trait, show you how it's actually showing up in your day-to-day chaos, and then we'll flip the script. You'll get simple ADHD-friendly strategies to go from stuck to forward momentum. You'll still get your weekly 3, a mind hack, a home hack, and a personal highlight, either from my own messy life or a client win to help your home feel lighter, more functional, and easier to maintain. And these are real stories from women figuring this out in the middle of overflowing laundry piles and endless to-do lists. We'll also unpack why deep cleaning never works for ADHD brains and why quick resets are the better way, how to let go without guilt, and how to build self-awareness so you can pause and pivot before the spiral takes over. I'm not here to promise perfection because that's not what ADHD brains need. I'm here to walk with you to customize strategies that make your life easier, one small shift at a time. So if you're ready for a fresh take on ADHD, home care, and a mindset that actually makes sense for you, hit follow and get ready. Season 2 of the Gentle Reset is just getting started. And if you want even more ADHD-friendly tips between episodes, come hang out with me over on Instagram at Calm Cottage Coaching. That's it for today, friend. If this episode spoke to you, will you take a quick screenshot and share this podcast with your friends? You never know who needs the reminder that they're not alone in this. Remember, one small shift at a time creates momentum. You're doing better than you think, and I'm so proud of you. See you soon for Season 2 of the Gentle Reset.